Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You already meet basic prereqs, Vscode and a GitHub account. Now start the actionable work. Open Vscode, then press Ctrl+Shift+X or CMD+Shift+X on Mac to open extensions. Once done, type GitHub Copilot in the search box to find the official extension. Make sure you select the extension published by GitHub. Click Install. This begins the extension download and adds Copilot commands to your command palette, so you can continue to the authorization step. Next, authorize Copilot so suggestions can appear. Open the command palette with Ctrl+Shift+P or CMD+Shift+P, then run GitHub Copilot, sign in. Follow the on-screen OAuth flow, approve permissions in your browser, return to Vscode when the prompt completes. Once signed in, open the extension settings and choose whether to enable Copilot for the current workspace or globally. Make sure file types you edit are supported. You can toggle inline suggestions and key binding preferences, so you're at the finish line. Start a supported file and begin typing to see Copilot suggestions inline or press the configured shortcut to trigger completions. Accept suggestions with Tab or your chosen key. Once done, tailor behavior via extension settings, adjust suggestion frequency, inline mode, and file exclusions. If suggestions fail to appear, try reloading Vscode Developer. Reload window, then sign out and sign in again to refresh tokens. If that does not help, confirm network or proxy settings, because authentication and suggestion traffic must reach GitHub.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.